are you all? The last 2 weeks we have done our exams. How was your exam? Easy or tough? I hope you all are done well. Okay children. Now we are going to start our same chapters. First chapter, number world. Okay. Then multiple. Do you know the multiplication table? I already told you the June, first week of June, you should study the multiplication table 1 to 10. Do you know that? Do you remember? Okay, so you should study the multiplication table 1 to 10. Okay. Then, so one problem is given. First of all, multiplication. So I will read the question. There are 528 girls and 442 boys in a school. Uniform for a cost of 210 rupees and for a boy 160 rupees. What is the total cost for the uniform? Then in one school, number of girls and boys are given. Number of girls and boys are given. Okay, then I have to find out the uniform cost for girls. What is 210 rupees. The uniform cost for boys 160 rupees. So we want to find out the total cost for uniform. First of all, we are write the number of girls 528. Number of boys 442. Then cost of uniform for girls. Then for a girl, a boy. Forgot that, right? Cost of uniform for a girl or a girl. See, one girl has how much rupee? 210 rupee. Then cost of uniform for a boy. 160 rupees. Okay, we want to find out the cost of uniform cost of 528 girls. We want to find out uniform cost of 528 girls. How much rupees? Then how to find out that cost of uniform for 528 uniform for 528 girls equal to 528 into 210. Understand? Same. Uniform for 442 boys equal to 442 into 160. So no need to space here to calculate. So we can write here. Okay. So the number of girls 528. Then cost of uniform for one girl 210. One boy for 160 rupees. We want to find out the uniform for 528 girl. So we can write 528 into 210. So next again the uniform for 442 boys is equal to 442 into 160. Okay, then do the problems workout section here. Then we want to calculate 528 into 210. 528 into 210. So we can select only 21. 0 is keep there. Okay, into. Then all of you know that 1 and 2 multiplication table. I hope you all are well known that 1 and multiplication table 1 and 2. So we can easily calculate it. How to do this? 1 8s are 8, 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5. Next step, 2. 2 8s are or 8 2s are. Both are same. 2 into 8 or 2 into 8 or 8 into 2. What is the answer? 16. So this is the tens place. So we can write also this is the tens place. 16. One is the carryover right in the hundreds place. Okay. Not 100 place is the tens place. Okay. 2 8s are 16. 6 is right. Yes, 1 is the carryover. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Then 5 2s are 10. Then what is the answer? 8. Then add these two numbers. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry over 1, again 1, then 1. What is the answer? Read this. This is a 5-digit number. The 11,088. 11,088. Same way we can. Then so we keep 1 0 here. So we can write the answer is. The answer is equal to 11088. Then we put 0 is here. This 0 is here. Then what is the answer? 1,10,880. Then first of all we are calculate 528 into 21. The 0 is keep here, kept here. Then we can calculate 11,088 is got it. Then we are, this 0 is put near this is the given number. So we can got what? We got 1,10,880. Okay. Then the uniform for 528 girls is equal to what? This is girls. It's equal to 1,10,880. Okay. Then next we do the next one. The cost for 442 boys. 442 boys into 116. We select only 16. You kept a 0 here. So we can calculate 6 2s are. So you should study the multiplication table. Okay. Then 6 2s are what is 6 2s are? 6 2s are 12. 1 is the carryover. Understood? 6 2s are 12. 2 is right here. 1 is the carryover. So 6 4s are what? 6 into 4 equal to 24. So 24 plus 1, 25. So 5 is right here. 2 is the carryover. Understood? So again 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. Okay. Then again next. This is 1. Table 1. So very easy. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. Again 1 4s are 4. Then add these two number. 2. 5 plus 2 7. 6 plus 4 10. 1 is the carryover. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. Understood? So 6 2s are 12. 2 is right here. 1 is the carryover. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. 1 is carryover. 2 is right here. 6 4s are 24 plus 2 26. Again we are starting from 10's place and 1's place. Then 2 1s are 2. 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. Then 2 5 plus 2 7. 6 plus 4 10. 1 is the carryover. 4 plus 2 plus 1 7. Then cost of boys what? 7,072. 7,072. So we have kept 1 0 here. So that 0 is put here. So we can read what? 70,720. All of you understood how to get 0 here. Now already one kept 1 0 here. We already kept 1 0 here. That 0 is put here. Okay. So we can read this number 70,720. Then we can write the total cost. Total cost equal to 1,10,880 plus 70,720. Add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 0. 8 plus 2 0. 1 is the carryover. 8 plus 2 10. 0 is right here. 1 is the carryover. Then 7 plus 8 15. 15 plus 1 16. 1 is the carryover. 0 plus 0 plus 1 1. 7 plus 1 8. 1 is right down. So we can got how much rupee? 1,81,600. What is the total cost of the uniform? 1,81,600. This is the answer. This is the total cost of the uniform. Understood? Then in this problem, how to understand this? Can you understand this problem? Then first of all, you should study the multiplication table 1 to 10. Okay. Then we can find out this answer easily. First of all, we are doing these two ones. Then we are adding these two amounts and we got what? 1,81,600. Okay. Now we have to discuss the next problem, multiply. Then two questions are given here. First, we are without using pen or paper, we want to calculate these two problems. How to calculate without pen and paper? Calculate this problem. How to do? Can you do this? Okay, I will say the method. Okay, children. Okay, what is the first question? 225 into 98 plus 225 into 2. First of all, the first two numbers are same. Then center one addition sign is here. So how to write this problem? First of all, you are writing 225 in the outside of this bracket. Okay, take 225 outside of this bracket. So 225. So again into. Put this sign into. Then put a bracket. So we can write these two number with the addition sign. Understood? So 98 plus 2. Understood how to write this? First of all, that these two numbers are same. So we can then came out this number 225. Then we can write this number outside the bracket. So put the sign multiplication sign again put the bracket and write these two numbers with the addition sign. Okay, 98 plus 2. What is 98 plus 2? 98 plus 2 what? Again we can write 225 into 98 plus 2, 98, 99, 100. So we got what? 100. Then we can easily write the answer. Is it? Then 225 into 100, how to write? First of all, you are writing 225, then 100, how many 0? 2 zeros, that 0 is put here. So we got what? 22,500. Understand how to multiply by 100? So first of all, we are write the numbers here. So we can put how many 0? 2 0, because the 100 has how many 0? 2 0. So 22,500. Then same method use this problem. So 115 is same number. Then outside the bracket, you can write outside the bracket 115 into then 88 plus 12. 88 plus 12. Then we need to put a bracket. So we can add 88 plus 12. What is 8 plus 2? 10. What is the carry over? Again 8 plus 2, 10. We got what? Again 100. So we can write 115 into 100. Then same as above. How to do this? Then first of all, we are writing 115. Then put how many 0? 2 zeros. Okay, some word problems are given in your textbook. So that problems we are solving which method? This method. Okay. Then again we are 115 into 100. What is the answer? 11,500. Understood this? Is simple. So first of all, write the number, then put the bracket and write these two numbers with the addition sign. So this is 100. First of all, you write the same number here, then put how many 0? 2 zeros. Understood all? Okay, my dear children, we will wind up our today's class. We are discussing so many things. So, you watch the video correctly and study well. Okay. Okay, bye. See you later.